Hey guys, iMAT here. Today we have the Dateoy L08 smart glasses. These smart glasses come with a camera inside them. In this video we'll be doing a quick unboxing to see what's included in the box and how to get started with these smart glasses. So let's get right into it. But before starting, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So here's the box. It's the L08 model, and if you see here we have the wake on voice option, real-time translation, shooting, music control and play, call support, AI intelligence by which you can recognize products, and we have the sound recording option. So let's find out what's inside the box. So first of all we have a pouch here, so I'm gonna keep it here. Then here is the polishing cloth. After that, here are the stickers which can be used on the nose area, I guess, so that it doesn't hurt that area. Yep, it looks like that. Here we have the user manual. So here they have mentioned the application that you're going to use, so we'll talk about it later. We get another box here, and what's inside this one? We have the USB-A to 2-pin magnetic charger, and there's nothing else here. So let's take a look at the smart glasses now. First of all we have the pouch. Let's open it. Then we get another pouch. Let's open it. And then we have the plastic pouch. So it's kind of like the AI videos we see on the internet, that the boxes won't end, and whenever you open a box there's always another box. And finally here are the smart glasses. So they are looking quite nice. What do you think about them? Let me know in the comments. They're made of really good quality, and if you look at them, here we have the speakers area. Then here is the gesture control area by which you can increase or decrease the volume level, and I guess you can also change the songs from here. Here we have buttons. Then I guess here is the microphone, and if you look inside, here are the magnetic charging points. We do not have the UV light protection or the blue light protection lenses. So on the front, this one is the camera and this one is the flashlight. So let's try them. Here's how they look like. In my opinion, the frame is a bit bigger. It was unnecessary to make it so big because the camera is located right here. So in my opinion, it's not the best choice for people with small face like me. But overall, it doesn't look bad. It looks quite nice. What did you think about it? Let me know in the comments. So you'll have to press and hold this button in order to turn them on. So I heard a sound. So they'll use Hey Cyan application. Let's connect it. So let's wait for them to detect them. Here are the L8 smart glasses. So now they are connected. So it's gonna guide you how to use them. So you can click this button once on the right side to click a picture, then you can click it twice if you want to record a video, and you can press it once again to stop the recording. If you move forward, on the left side we have another button, so you'll have to press and hold it if you want to record audio, and then you can click it once again if you want to stop recording. After that, you can double click it if you want to use the AI quick image recognition option, which is going to recognize the product in front of you. Then here is the play or pause music option. You can double tap this touchpad if you want to do that, and you can slide on it if you want to increase or decrease the volume. You can also triple click it if you want to go to the previous track, and long press it to go to the next track. So these are all of the functions of these smart glasses. Now it's time to try them out. First of all, you can click this button once if you want to click a picture. So it has clicked the picture now. I'll have to click it twice if I want to record a video. It's also done. So now if I want to recognize the product in front of me, I'll have to double click on this button. So let's do it. I'm gonna go to the home screen. So it has clicked the picture. Now if you go to this AI option, you can see that it has clicked the picture, and now it's showing the complete information of what's shown in the picture. So what did you think about it? Let me know in the comments. By going to this album tab, you can also download all of the pictures and videos. Here you can see that it has downloaded the video, and here is the picture that we clicked. So it has many more amazing features like real-time translation, and the pictures and videos are quite good in quality too. So I'll be doing the real live test very soon, and the full review will be live on iMAT gadgets. So make sure you are subscribed and have the notifications turned on there. If you have any more requests, let me know in the comments. I will see you in the next one.